How to stop iPhone from showing suggested photo on lock screen. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you stop iPhone from showing suggested photos on lock screen wallpaper. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the setting, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the option apps. So simply tap on this apps. Okay, so from this app section, you'll have to find the application photos. So simply find the application photo. And after you find the photos, you'll have to just tap on it. Alright, so from your, you will have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like show featured content. So you have to turn off this feature from here, and after you turn off this feature from here, you will be able to stop iPhone from showing suggested photos on your lock screen wallpaper. So this is the method. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.